Hey there viewers! In today's lesson we're going to discuss the difference between its and its. Even though the pronunciation is the same for both of these, but their meanings are completely different. So let's begin. Its with an apostrophe is a contraction of it is or it has. For example, it's so cold in Antarctica. In this example, the sentence is, it is so cold in Antarctica. It's been an amazing day. Here the words it has have been shortened to its. So, when you have its with an apostrophe, it can be it is or it has, depending on the sentence. Its without an apostrophe is a possessive pronoun, like mine, ours, yours, etc. We use it to say that something belongs to, or refers to something. For example, the cat is sleeping on its mat. Here we use its without an apostrophe, because the cat is sleeping on a mat that belongs to it. The plant is in its pot. In this example, the pot belongs to the plant. Overall, its without an apostrophe indicate possession, ownership, belonging, in a sentence. Thanks for watching.